Hi, and welcome to the Jelvix channel. Did you know that healthcare has seen a big increase in mobile health apps? Over 63% of adults in the US use them to fulfill their medical needs. So it's no wonder that the Jelvix team has been getting a lot of requests to create medical apps for various purposes, starting from simple chatbots and ending with comprehensive mobile app platforms. In this video, we'll share one of our most successful projects, an mHealth app for cancer management that helps patients track their treatments, manage their health records, and stay in touch with their doctors. Curious to know how we pulled this off? Let's dive in. We're Jelvix, a software development partner for industry leaders. We post weekly videos on tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe. Now, before we tell you more about the development process, let's discuss how mobile apps can assist cancer treatment and why develop them. To start with, cancer management apps make it easier for patients to track their treatment progress and manage their health records, all in one place. This can be a game changer for those dealing with the complexities of cancer care. In addition, apps enable better communication between patients and healthcare teams. Features like instant messaging and video consultations allow patients to reach out to their doctors anytime they need advice or support. And what's more, instant messaging modules enable effective patient-doctor interactions to help reduce pain scores, anxiety, and depression related to cancer. But wait, there's more. Mobile apps often come with educational resources and community portals, which become a source of essential peer advice and support. Now that you know why developing an app for cancer management is a game changer, let's walk you through how to create one. So, the Jelvix team led the development process of a cancer management app throughout its 7 key phases: discovery, planning, design, development, testing, deployment, and last but not least, maintenance and support. Let us guide you through each one in more detail. Starting with the discovery stage, the Jelvix team deep dived into understanding the project requirements and goals. During this phase, Jelvix experts gathered detailed information about the needs of cancer patients and their physicians. We conducted market research, analyzed competitors, and defined the core features of the cancer management app. This phase led to the groundwork of the entire project and ensured that everyone was on the same page. And after doing all the necessary research, our business analysts came up with 2 versions of the solution: the B2B module for clinics and the B2C solution for patients and doctors to improve cancer treatment. Once the app requirements were set, it was time to move on to the planning phase. At this stage, Jelvix experts created a detailed, well-structured plan to keep the project on track. This included defining the project scope, setting timelines, allocating resources, and determining the budget. The technology stack and app architecture were defined at this stage too. The following phase was design, focused on crafting the user interface and designing user experience workflows. At this stage, Jelvix designers created wireframes and mock-ups to visualize the app's layout and flow. The goal was to create an intuitive and user-friendly design that meets the needs of patients and healthcare teams. In doing that, we used the Envision tool to create the UX/UI for both Android and iOS apps. Most importantly, our experts ensured aligning all design processes with approved client specifications. Once the design part was done, the developers jumped in, and the actual coding began. This is where your team of developers built the app's front-end and back-end components. We used Swift for iOS and Kotlin for Android front-end development, which ensured smooth and responsive performance. Meanwhile, the back-end developers used MySQL, MongoDB, and Docker to create a strong and scalable solution that can handle large amounts of data securely and efficiently. Apart from the efficient tech stack, we utilized the Scrum methodology with 2-week sprints to accelerate the development process and deliver the app swiftly. After that, we moved on to the testing phase, which is critical for identifying and fixing any bugs or issues. Our quality assurance testers thoroughly tested the app on various devices and platforms to ensure it's stable, secure, and user-friendly. This phase included functional testing, usability testing, performance testing, user acceptance testing, and security testing, to name a few. Jelvix experts also checked the initial accessibility and acceptability of the application to ensure it met all set requirements. Once the app has passed all tests, it was time for deployment, which involved publishing the app on platforms like the App Store and Play Store. At this stage, the Jelvix team also set up the necessary back-end infrastructure on cloud services to ensure scalability and reliability. Our team also put in a lot of effort to optimize project components so we could deploy the app on both platforms using AWS. And last but not least, we thoroughly monitored the app's performance after launch and promptly addressed the minor issues that arose. The final phase included regularly updating the app to fix bugs, add new features, and improve its performance. At this stage, it was important to support users and drive their satisfaction and engagement. Therefore, feedback collection played a vital role here. This user feedback inspired some essential improvements, ensuring the app remained relevant and useful. So that's how we were able to develop an actively used, one-of-a-kind digital health platform for patients and clinics to manage cancer. Now, let's talk about its core features. Here's our secret sauce to success. A good mHealth cancer management app should include functionality that can make a big difference in helping patients manage their treatment. Speaking about our project, we included some handy features for high patient engagement, such as the community space, education hub, questionnaires, and instant messaging. And what's more, the client-server architecture we developed provided patients with customized, safe, and reliable health resources, helping them understand what to expect at each phase of the treatment. But wait, does it mean any app should include these capabilities? Well, of course, each project is unique, and what worked well for our client may not work well for you. However, there are common features that a helpful cancer management app should include. Let's take a closer look at them. Let's start with symptom tracking, one of the key features of the cancer management app. It allows patients to log their daily health status and possibly treatment side effects. By monitoring systems in real time, doctors can make timely adjustments to treatment plans, ensuring better patient outcomes. In addition, the app should provide an easy way for patients to schedule and manage their appointments. With reminders for upcoming visits, patients are less likely to miss important checkups, ensuring they stay on track with their treatment schedules. Effective communication is another important feature, since it allows patients to contact their health providers directly and safely. This way, doctors can address any concerns or questions promptly, offering patients peace of mind. Also, don't forget about the Health Passport, the feature that allows patients to store and manage their medical records online. This includes treatment history, test results, and medication lists, making it easy for both patients and doctors to access important information quickly and securely. And here's another good idea. Let the app collect and analyze data in real time. This way, doctors can gain insights into patient health and evaluate treatment effectiveness, making informed decisions and improving the overall quality of care. We hope you found those tips useful. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell button. We wish you a successful app development process. And remember, if you need expert assistance with your own mHealth project, we're here to help. Bye-bye.